teacher and respective parents. Today I made a project and it is called hovercraft, balloon hovercraft. To make a balloon hovercraft, you need a CD, a balloon, a bottle cap, hot glue gun, and paintbrushes. First you take a CD and then paint it, but it is optional as it's for decoration. Then you glue the bottle cap in the center of the CD, like this. Then you put the balloon and blow it up. After you blow it up, the hovercraft will start to hover. And if you don't believe me, here's the proof. I made a video on it.
So after you've blown the balloon, you release your hand.
Wow.
As you can see, the hovercraft started to hover, but sometimes it can lift the hovercraft up. Let's see why. The small hole in the center of the CD forces air escaping from the balloon downwards. This creates an opposite force upwards, which lifts the hovercraft off the ground. The CD spreads out this force even along with the bottom of the hovercraft. Having a thin layer of air also helps the hovercraft move by reducing the amount of friction between the CD and the ground. Thank you.
Are we done? আমার নয় যে রিফা তালি দিচ্ছে, আমি একটু তালি দেই। আজকে সারাদিন তালি দেওয়া হয়নি, আমরা সবারটা শেষ করেছি।
আমি তালি দিব না, আমি ওকে কোলে নিব, আমি তালি দিব না।
I wish I could hug all of them. Hugs and
আমি কোলে নিতে চাই, আমি হাগ করব না, আমি তালি দিব না, আমি ওকে কোলে নিব।
So confident, my God.
My God, hats off, so confident. This is our Zunaira, who was like, who even didn't talk at the beginning of our session, and now look at Zunaira talking. Wow, hats off. Who made these changes?
From my side. Love from my
side. Who made these changes?
জুনাইরার আম্মুকে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, দেখি আম্মু কি বলে একটু, কেমন লাগছে?
হ্যাঁ, কি বাচ্চাদের দেখলাম, সব বাচ্চাদেরটা দেখতে পারিনি। যাই হোক, সবচেয়ে বড় কথা স্টেম উইক ওরা এ পর্যন্ত গ্রুপ ওয়ার্কে করে এসছে, হ্যাঁ, সেখানে সবার আলাপ আলোচনায়, বাট এই প্রথম ওরা একদম ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি নিজে নিজে করছে। এটাই সব থেকে বড় কথা, যে আমরা খালি জাস্ট ম্যাটেরিয়ালস গুলো প্রোভাইড করেছি কি কি লাগবে, এছাড়া ওরাই সব করছে। মানে আমরাই অবাক হয়ে যাচ্ছি যে ওরা এত কিছু কিভাবে পারে, আর আমাদের সময় কেন এই সিস্টেম গুলা ছিল না। এগুলো দেখে পড়ানোর এগুলা দেখলেও আসলে আমার খুব ভালো লাগে যে আমাদের সময় টিচাররা এরকম করে পড়াতো না। সত্যি কথা, আমি কিন্তু মাঝে মাঝেই শুনি যে এত সুন্দর করে মানে পড়ায়। আমাদের সময় হলে আমরাও অনেক কিছু শিখতাম, আমরা তো খালি বই খাতার মধ্যেই, বইয়ে যা যা ছিল আর ওই প্র্যাকটিক্যাল রুমে যে কিছু এই, বাট ওরা নিজে নিজে বাসায়, এবং এটাতে ওরা অনেক মানে আগ্রহ পায় নতুন নতুন কিছু শেখার নিজের থেকে। আমরা কিছু হেল্প করলেও কিন্তু নিতে চাই না, না তোমরা বুঝবা না, তোমরা পারবা না। সেটাও ভালো লাগে যে না, ওদের যে আগ্রহ হচ্ছে এগুলোতে। খুব ভালো হয়েছে, সবারটাই ভালো হয়েছে, ছোট বড় সবাই যে যার মতো চেষ্টা করেছে, এটাতেই মানে সব থেকে ভালো লেগেছে। স্টেম উইকটা ওদের এবার মানে ভালো, প্যান্ডেমিকের মধ্যেও খুব ভালো একটা এনজয় বাসার মধ্যে। আমরাও সেটা কয়েকদিন ধরে একটা এক্সাইটেড, প্রেজেন্টেশন কেমন হবে, কে কি করবে, এটাতে খুব ভালো লেগেছে। সব বাচ্চাদের সবারটা খুব ভালো হয়েছে।
থ্যাংক ইউ, অনেক ধন্যবাদ আপু, আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ। আমরা কি কিছু বলবো? সবাই যা বলার বলে ফেলেছে অলরেডি চ্যাট বক্সে। Nice, beautiful, awesome. Zunaira, you deserve very well deserved.
Yes. Alama, we are very happy. You have done it so greatly, I would say.
it was done, and the presentation, your way of the wordings, the way you deliver your speech, it was awesome.
So confident. So confident.
So confident. It was greatly done. Thank you, Ma. And regarding the way you have transformed your speech to the video, you have connected the flow with which you have connected it. It was way beyond my expectations. Alhamdulillah, it was really nice. Keep on doing such things in future, and also keep on surprising us. Okay.
Yes.
With your work, keep on surprising us. Thank you, Ma.
Off
On
to
this note,
hats off to all of you. Marvelous, tremendous, beautiful job done by all of you. Beautifully made. The way you worked hard throughout the week. We did not take rest. Some of you, even Abdullah is here. Abdullah's project was destroyed and he made again. So we have really no words to say how we will appreciate you. Our words will not enough. So it is beautifully done, and for the help also from parent side also, your cooperation, your feedback, your reflection, we really appreciate your presence with your children, along with your children. Thank you so much. We successfully made it, at least. Alhamdulillah. Pat yourself, everyone. Pat your back. Great job done.
yes, and dear parents, don't think that someone else had did a bit nicer than your one. No, everyone, every single one. If you ask me, I am surprised, because I am getting surprises after seeing every individual task. You have done it so well, and your project reflects how hard work you have done. It is not that it happened only by spending time for a few hours. You have spent it day-wise. Some of you have created structures. Some of you have made all an individual ecosystem, taking from the photosynthesis to the consumer, producer, food chain, the effects, the impacts, and then have also provided the solution, taking from creating a boat. Piling up all the water inside a veranda is not at all a joke. And the concept, like showing us, he or she could have used a bowl, but rather compiling, or rather taking all the waters in a veranda and then holding it there, then making the video, constructing, then showing, gathering all the glasses, putting the colors inside, then moving the water from one glass to another with tissue paper, then the hoovering, and then the balloon project of Aviana, Abdullah's second time. One was lost, one was hampered, one was destroyed, then making another one for the project. It all shows that you have taken the STEM week by heart. And you have spent time, you have tried to show yourself that yes, you also can do it, and you have done it well. Some of you have stayed inside in your house. Some of you were not even in your house. You were out of your house, staying far away from Dhaka with very limited resources, but somehow you have managed it. Hats off to you. I don't have anything else to say. All credit goes to you. Thank you, Ma. Keep on doing this work. Inshallah, we will be starting a new unit with new topics and with all new things from Sunday onwards. Hoping to see you all in health, in good health, and in fresh mind. Take rest. No more experiment. Only Bushra Miss will request one thing. মাথা থেকে যদি সব math চলে যায়, we have to go through it, the concept that Tanzila has taught on HCF, because from Sunday onwards, we will be starting from HCF and then we will be doing LCM. So take rest, plenty of rest, and then do a minor practice in math. Clear?
Yes, and one thing I'd like to add, this is we have talked regarding so many things about the STEM week and so on, but as you know, again second wave is coming and so many of my family members are already ill, so I'd like to request you to please take liquid. I do not want you to get somehow get ill, so I'd like to request all of you to take liquid as much as you can. And definitely it will be very good if you could take it a very warm water, okay? Warm water, warm juice, whatever it is. So take good care of your health. We did really work hard. Thank you to your parents. Respect, love for all of you. Bye-bye. See you on Sunday, inshallah. Have a great
Okay.
weekend. Okay? Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Still they are texting. Still. This is full of chat.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, ma.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss. I
Okay.
thought we will have math
Inaya
class today.
Thank you, আম্মু। ইনায়া আর শাওনি খুশিতে সিলিং থেকে ঝুলছে আপসাইড ডাউন পুরো। Okay, মা।
মাথার ব্রেইনে বেশি ব্লাড চলে যাবে, সেটা হেলথের জন্য ভালো না।
ওরে বাবা, হি টুক ইট ভেরি সিরিয়াসলি। আম্মু রোটেট করো, রোটেট করলেই সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। ওকে।